Urdhva Hastasana. On an inhalation, raise your arms towards ceiling. Maintain good upper body posture with the shoulders relaxed and rib cage sitting naturally over the hips. Anchor your sit bone in your chair seat and reach up from there. 5 to 10 breath. Slowly down. You can repeat this for 5 counts or 10 counts. Forward bend or Uttanasana. Inhale up. On an exhalation, come into forward bend over the legs. Let the hands rest on the floor if they reach it. Let the head hang heavy. On an inhalation, raise the arm back up over the head. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times. Parshvakonasana. After your final forward bend, stay folded. Bring your left fingertips to the floor on the outside of your left foot. If your left hand doesn't come easily to the floor, place a block under it and twist from there. Open your chest as you twist to the right. Inhale, bringing your right arm and gaze up at the ceiling. Hold here for several breaths. Bring the right arm down and relax. Do the same position with the right arm down and the left arm up. You can repeat this asana 2 to 4 times. Chair Warrior 1 or Veerbhadrasana. Keep the right leg in position over the side of the chair while you swing the left leg behind you. Plant the sole of the left foot on the floor roughly parallel to the seat of the chair and straighten the left leg. Keep your torso facing over the right leg. Inhale, raise your arm up to the ceiling and come to Warrior 1. Hold here 3 to 5 breaths. And then relax. Same this asana on the other side. Chair Warrior 2 or Veerbhadrasana 2. On an exhale, open up the arms with the right arm coming forward and the left arm going back. Draw the left hip back and turn the torso to the left so that it is aligned with the front of the chair. Gaze out over the right fingertips and hold Warrior 2 for 3 to 5 breaths. Relax. Repeat the same in other side. Entire reverse warrior, Viparita Virabhadrasana. Inhale, let the left arm come down the left leg and lift the right arm up to the ceiling. Gaze up. Hold here 3 to 5 breaths. Exhale, relax. Repeat this asana on the other side. Cat and cow stretch or Marjariasana. Sit on a chair with the spine long and both feet on the floor. Place your hand on your knee or the top of your thighs. Inhale, arch your spine and roll your shoulder down and back, bringing your shoulder blade onto your back. This is cow position. Stay here for 5 breaths. On an exhale, round your spine and drop your chin to your chest, letting the shoulder and head come forward. This is cat position. Stay here for 5 breaths. Continue moving between cow on the inhalation and cat on the exhalation for 5 breaths. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Come to sideways on the chair. Inhale. As you exhale, twist your torso towards the left, holding on to the back of the chair. Stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale, come to neutral position. Move your legs around to the right side of the chair and repeat the same. You can do this asana 2 to 4 times. Chair pigeon pose or Ekapada Raja Kapotasana. Sit straight. Bring your right ankle to rest on your left thigh, keeping the left knee in line with your ankle as much as possible. Inhale, roll your neck back. Exhale, bend forward. Feel the stretch in thigh muscle and abdominal muscle. Stay here for 5 breaths. Exhale, up. You repeat this asana on the other side. Shavasana or final relaxation. Take a few minutes to sit with your eyes closed and hands in your lap at the end of your practice. This seated Shavasana will help your body absorb all the good effects of the poses you have done and transition you into the rest of your day. Slowly open your eyes and rub your hand and keep on your eyes. Again rub your hand and keep on your ears. Thank you for watching.